Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple steps to get your sound back up and running. First, double check that your volume isn't muted. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is the issue. Click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and make sure the volume slider is turned up. Also, if you're using headphones or external speakers, make sure they're properly plugged in or connected via Bluetooth. If the sound still doesn't work, let's use the built-in troubleshooter. Click Start, then type Troubleshoot Settings, and hit Enter. Click on Other Troubleshooters, then click Run next to Playing Audio. Let Windows do its thing. Sometimes it finds and fixes the problem automatically. Another thing people miss all the time is to make sure your computer is sending audio to the right device. Right-click the speaker icon, click Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure the correct device is selected, like your speakers or headphones. If you have more than one device listed, test each one by clicking on it and playing a sound. Still nothing? Try restarting the audio service. Press Windows and R to open the run box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down to Windows Audio. Right-click it and hit Restart. This refreshes the audio service, which often fixes silent PCs. If the previous steps still didn't fix the sound issues you are faced, then maybe it's a driver issue. Drivers can go bad after updates. Here's how to fix it. Press Windows and the X key on your keyboard, then click Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, right-click again and choose Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Restarting your PC also refreshes and reloads the drivers on your computer or laptop, so this may fix the sound issues you were having as well. Hopefully, one of those steps helped you get your sound back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 fixes. Catch you in the next one.